Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials: speakers charged, Bluetooth enabled, and the JBL Connect app open. Tap the app to scan. The app needs an active BT permission, so allow it if prompted. Once done, press the Bluetooth or Connect button on the first speaker to make it discoverable. You'll see it listed in the app. Tap the device name to pair it. Make sure the phone and speaker stay close so the initial handshake completes without dropouts. Now you'll add more units. In the app, pick the first paired speaker as the host. Tap Add Speaker, then press the Connect button on the second speaker. The app will detect it and show a connecting animation. Wait until the app confirms both devices are linked. Next, choose the playback configuration, stereo for left/right separation or party mode to mirror audio. Make sure volumes are balanced in the app so sound staging matches your room before playing. Finish by playing a test track and fine-tuning EQ, balance, and master volume within the app so sound is consistent. If you notice latency, stuttering, or one speaker silent, make sure both devices are within range and free of interference. Then resync them using the app's Reconnect option. If problems persist, restart the JBL Connect app, toggle Bluetooth on your phone, or power cycle the speakers. These steps reset the link and resolve most common connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.